Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Guys, you must watch this video. I'm going to show you something very, very simple, yet very, very powerful. Okay? And it's all to do with the day chart. And it's basically, if we're in an uptrend, price will want to get back to the daily high. If we're in a downtrend, price will want to get back down to the daily low. Yeah, very simple, guys. But we're going to look at the implications that has and how we can use that. Yeah, so we can use that for finding good trades, but also if we're in a hedge or we become hedged, we can use it to give us the confidence to continue with that hedge. Okay, so just look at the day chart, guys. This is US dollar yen. It doesn't matter which pair we pick, pretty much. All right, so here we still haven't broken structure, but we can see we're starting to get higher lows. Okay, and then we get a structure break. Okay, so this is the start of the uptrend. Yeah, this is the last high. Yeah, it retraces, it comes back to the last high. Okay, comes back up. This is the next high. Price retraces, and eventually it may take some days, but it comes back up to this last high. Yeah, then we just have to wait for the next high. This is the next high. Yeah, it retraces, it eventually gets back up to this last high, and so on, guys. It's such a simple idea. Okay, but let's imagine, yeah, on this trade here. Okay, yeah, we're in an uptrend. Let's say you bought you was buying here, yeah, on the H1 chart or something like that, and then you got hedged and your sell trade is here. Just have the confidence and know that most of the time it will eventually come back up to these last highs. So in here, you're going to have lots of opportunities to close this sell trade. Yeah, you can find a good level for that. We're not going to go into that today. I just want to show you the simplicity of this price action and finding the last daily high. All right, or even if it's not a hedge, yeah, you're down here. You know you're getting excellent value. However you trade on the H1 or H4 or however you get into the trade, just know that price is going to come back up and get to this daily high. All right, so we can use it for entries. Yeah, we know it'll be a good buy down here eventually, or we can use it for hedging. If we're in a hedge, a buy and a sell, yeah, we know that, you know, potentially we can get out of our sell down here and it will come back up. Yeah, so powerful. It's just a simple little notion, but it's so powerful. Even at this point, guys. So yeah, we're still in an uptrend. Here we get a huge sell-off. So we break these lows. This is actually a downtrend now. All right, so, but still, check this out. Price comes all the way back up to here, and it still just about comes down to these lows. It still wants to find this low, and it does. Eventually, we have a change in structure. Yeah. Okay. So let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, we now had a change in structure. This is the last high. It wants to find the last high. Obviously, it can carry on, guys. Leave 20% to run. All right. And even up here, guys, this is not nice price action, but it still wants to get back up to this high. Comes back down. It still wants to get back up to this high. Okay. Yeah. And then this is where we are currently, guys. Yeah. It's broken this last high, so this is now the new last high, which has been the catalyst of the US dollar Japanese yen trades that I've given you. Yeah, price comes back down. Yeah, we're in here. Yeah, it wants to come back up to this high. Okay, very simple, very powerful. You can pick any pair. Let's pick, I don't know, okay, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, because we were looking at this. But let's start over here. Let's start all the way over here when we have a structure break. Okay, so we'll start over here and we'll just follow it. Okay, so this is a downtrend. Yeah, this is the last low. It wants to find the low. Yeah, if it goes on further, we don't care. You've made nice profit. We get a structure break. Okay, this is now the highs. We get a retrace. It still wants to find these highs. Okay, all right, let's move it on. We've now got a new high. Yeah, price messes about. Yeah, but we're still in an uptrend because we don't break lows. It still wants to find this high. Okay, we carry on. Yeah, price comes up. Yeah, the new high. Price retraces. It still wants to find this high. Retraces. Still wants to find this high. Okay, retraces. Doesn't quite find the high, but you know, but look at price. It's telling you that this is good resistance. Okay, and then yeah, price breaks down. Sometimes you'll have a breakdown like this. Yeah, at this point we're in a downtrend. Okay, this is difficult to trade obviously because it hasn't given us a retrace, therefore a new low, so we can take it back down. Okay, but eventually, even with this, comes back up. Yeah, it wants to find the last low. Comes back up. It wants to find the last low. Yeah, in a downtrend. Very simple, very powerful. Yeah. We carry along. Yeah. I'm showing you these because we're looking at these trades today. Yeah, price comes down. I mean, you know, this is the last low. This price action you want to stay out of, and then bang. Yeah, we get a change in structure. We get a new high. Yeah, let's zoom in. Yeah, so price has broke. We get a new high. Price comes down to here. We get nice value. It wants to make it back up to the high. Okay, so time and time again, if we're in a downtrend, price will want to find this low again. Okay, if we're in an uptrend, time and time again, price will want to find the high. Yeah, on the daily chart. So, you know, this is just so powerful to know in terms of, you know, us taking a trade and our bias of our direction. Okay, so, you know, anywhere in here, once Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, for example, you know, this was one of my trade ideas. I'm confident it's going to get back to this high. So when we're down in here, all I'm looking for, or even here, I'm just looking for an entry on the lower time frames that makes sense. And my higher time frame target is back to the last daily highs. It's as simple as that, guys. And imagine if you're in a hedge, yeah, and you're like, oh, Tom, maybe trends changing, maybe it won't make it up to this high. Most of the time, it will. Yeah, it will get back up to there. So when you're trying to pick trades on the daily chart, yeah, remember that it will want to get back up to the daily high. All right, guys. So really simple, really powerful. Just think of this when you're looking at those day charts and how to trade them. All right, you'll really help you pick some very good trades, and it'll also help you, give you the confidence to continue with your hedge. All right, guys. So yeah, I hope that helps. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. If you have, then please subscribe to the channel right now. Smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, guys. All right. See you next time.